I was diagnosed with stage 4 prostate cancer. One of the reasons why I selected the medical center was Calypso, which limits the side effects dramatically, which are associated with prostate cancer and radiation oncology. Calypso would provide a dramatically better outcome than any other type of treatment. Everyone who treated me was very gifted. The radiation oncology technicians, the nurses, as well as the physicians. I had my treatment at the Village Point Cancer Center. It's very close to where I live. The reputation that the Med Center has is a national one. It's an international one. It's based on the care that they can give you and the outcomes that they provide, and that is a wonderful thing. I believe that they did save my life. When you're diagnosed with advanced forms of cancer, it can be a grim thing, and you have to make the right decisions. And I believe my decision in going to the medical center did save my life. And I'm glad I'm here. I'm very glad I'm here. Yes.
There was something on my left ovary. They told me I had ovarian cancer. I believe it was stage 3. I had 2 different types of chemotherapy. One was IV, and the other was intraperitoneal chemotherapy, which means that the chemotherapy went into my abdomen and coated the outside of my organs to really kind of make sure that the chemo got to where the cancer had been. I really felt confident in the treatment that was being prescribed to me, and because of all the research and the studies that were being done, I am in remission, and the hope is that the ovarian cancer will not come back. I am doing a trial chemotherapy right now. If it's going to increase my chances of survival, that's huge. And also, I felt that if it can be used to help other people as well, I wanted to be part of that. My experience has been so great that I would definitely recommend it.
I was having a persistent cough, and there was a mass in my abdomen about the size of a grapefruit. So there was a bit of a mad scramble to try and figure out what kind of cancer this was and where it had originated. I had testicular cancer that had spread to my abdomen and into both my lungs. I knew that my cancer was very advanced, and I knew that it wasn't good. They removed my left testicle and immediately started me on some really aggressive chemotherapy, and then a big surgery to remove the mass in my abdomen. So I had a really rough 6 months in there. I was thrilled to be at the Med Center. I know that there were an awful lot of doctors involved in my diagnosis, some that I didn't even meet, but who were reviewing my case and talking. And I was told at one time there was a huge meeting of doctors and surgeons pulled together to try and figure out what to do. Everybody there is laser focused on getting you better, on doing the best thing they can for you. The Med Center saved my life. I'm 18 months cancer free, and I'm doing very well.